Let's see what kind of plants your garden can grow. We are the fruits and vegetables most commonly shown. I'm a head of lettuce and a vegetable you should know. My leafy greens are super tasty and very versatile. Green bean here, but I am actually a fruit because I contain seeds in a pod growing from my shoot. I am a radish, I do grow underground, part of the root vegetable family with leaves on top are found. Tomato is my name, from a tomato plant I come. I'm a fruit, not vegetable, now sing along for fun. Let's see what kind of plants your garden can grow. We are the fruits and vegetables most commonly shown. Say my name with me, it is zucchini. I'm a summer squash and considered a fruit with seeds. I'm a head of kale, I hail. I'm a leafy vegetable that grows in a typical garden. I also grow in the snow. I am a carrot, a root vegetable not typically seen. You can recognize my leaves above the ground, they are green. My name's Swiss chard, I have a leafy shoot. I'm a type of beet that does not produce an edible root. Let's see what kind of plants your garden can grow. We are the fruits and vegetables most commonly shown. Hey, this is the founder of KLT, Matthew. I'm very excited to announce we have our first book out now. It's a coloring book of the 50 states. Get it on Amazon today. Click on the link in the description below the video. Thanks for watching KLT. Please subscribe to this channel, like our videos, and check out the KLT merch store.